describing the tile flooring, which wasn't what I envisaged. As Rob explained, their initial plan got floored.
After we got approval with planning permission and everything, just as we're about to start with the works, Carl had second thoughts and he thought it weren't really for him. So we decided to pull out and I took it on the way.
It was an amicable split. Builder Rob brought out his business partner Carl, but it did further delay the start. And then Rob had a change of plan and decided to let the refurbished ground floor to his friend Dave.